control, you'll always know who's coming and going from your business, from wherever you are. Alarm.com's cloud-based access control combines intuitive user management with a seamless alarm and video integration. You can easily add or remove access users in seconds from either the Alarm.com app or website. Access can be set to automatically deactivate on a certain date in real time. You also have the option to add or remove hundreds of users in bulk at one time. If you're tired of having to keep track of keys, eliminate the use of separate badges or key fobs with mobile credentials. Employees can access doors just by swiping their smartphones. And you can use customizable access reports to analyze reader swipe-in data for contact tracing. Out of office but forgot about a delivery being scheduled? Don't worry. With smarter access control, you can lock, unlock, and buzz doors open from anywhere. You can easily add and revoke mobile lock control permissions to make sure the right people have access when they need it. Automatically disarm the alarm when the first employee badges in for the day and have them double tap their card to arm on the way out the door. No dedicated on-site computer is needed. So, whether you're a small business with one door or a large multi-location operation with hundreds of doors, we've got you covered.